Hey everyone, happy April. This is Rana,
And this is Scott.
and we're here from Workado's product marketing team to share what our product team has been working on this month.
To all of our viewers watching, we hope you and your families are continuing to stay safe during this extended lockdown.
Yeah, teams have had to move quickly and adjust their plans. Marketing teams are hosting more webinars and fireside chats, sales teams are video conferencing with customers, and HR teams are conducting virtual candidate interviews, all through Zoom.
With our brand new Zoom connector, your business can automate workflows for your sales teams to respond to leads faster, HR teams to recruit talent faster, and more. Here's an example. When a webinar is over, Workado doesn't just make it easy to stream the meeting recording to any repository, like Box or Google Drive, but you can also take action on meeting participant data. Attendee data can be cleansed, validated, and enriched to remove duplicates, and then automatically synced to the context record in your CRM and marketing apps. To enable a fast response and increase sales conversion, the AE can be notified the moment the webinar ends, and follow-up emails can be automatically sent or scheduled.
This is great. With the rise of more virtual events, even at Workado, the automatic attendee sync will definitely save us time and change how we respond to our customer needs better. So Scott, many of our customers are looking to modernize their data warehouses by switching over to cloud data warehouses like Snowflake, Google BigQuery, and Redshift. Earlier this year, we announced some exciting updates for Snowflake. Can you walk us through the latest updates to our Google BigQuery connector?
Yep, the BigQuery connector just got a major update that makes building robust data pipelines for processing data from thousands of cloud and on-prem apps simple and fast. We provide several options to make moving data in and out of BigQuery easy. We also provide tools to transform the data. The new Insert Rows in Bulk action supports batch sizes up to 50,000 rows for higher throughput, and the Insert Rows in Batch action gives you the power to move hundreds of millions of rows of data at high speed while providing control to manage errors and exceptions.
That's awesome. What if we want to transform the data with SQL after the load? I know it's common for fields in apps like Salesforce, for example, to change over time.
And that's okay. The Run Custom SQL and BigQuery action enables push-down ELT, so you can process complex transformations using SQL in the recipe using BigQuery's power. And a constantly changing schema in Salesforce or any source system isn't a problem with the load data into BigQuery action. With this action, Workado will automatically track and replicate changes to the schema, whether cloud or on-prem, giving you peace of mind that you aren't losing data even if the source system changes. Workado supports both ELT and ETL pipelines and provides unique triggers to move insights into business apps like Salesforce, Marketo, Zendesk, Jira, Slack, and others, so your team can make faster data-driven actions. These are just some of the updates that we've made to the BigQuery connector.
Slack has also made several updates to their platform, and we've made updates to the Workado Slack app that take advantage of these changes.
Yeah, I saw the UI changes and heard about some of the new features like shortcuts. Do we have a demo of our Workbot utilizing these changes?
Yep, since it's the end of the month, let's file some expenses. I can use Slack shortcuts to create an expense report, and this is all powered by Workbot. All you do is enter your expense details and submit. Over on the manager's end, Workado released modals and repeat blocks, which make it easy to create user experiences that are nicely formatted to make understanding the data easier. Modals allow you to create dialog boxes that stack on top of each other, creating a nice user journey. And with repeat blocks, listing out the expenses or any number of records in a readable way is easy to set up.
Wow, I didn't realize that it was that easy. It's great that we partnered with Slack and are able to leverage their functionality to create something new.
We're always looking for ways to enable our users by simplifying the process of building and maintaining automations. Workado already provides users with many capabilities for managing batch processing, like repeat and batches that we covered in March's product updates, batch triggers, collection, and batch and bulk actions for apps and databases. Now, we've added synthetic data pills to make building recipes faster and processing data in batches even easier. These synthetic data pills are useful in two scenarios: when you need to know the sequence number of the batch or size to insert the data into a downstream system, and when steps need to be taken before the first batch or after the last batch. These scenarios would normally take complex logic to cover, but synthetic data pills greatly simplify the recipe. You can utilize synthetic data pills when you run a repeat action in a Workado recipe.
I gotta say, all of these updates have made building recipes even easier. With so much volatility in the market right now, what can companies do to maintain pipeline and drive deals forward?
So, market research has shown that 52% of prospects use reviews when making buying decisions. So, if prospects are visiting product or competitor pages on software review sites like G2, TrustRadius, and Capterra, it's very likely that they're in the market to purchase. Buyer Intent Bot streamlines the process of tracking visits on review sites, stitches together contextual information from tools like LinkedIn, ZoomInfo, and Salesforce, and pushes it right into the hands of sales reps via Slack, all without disrupting their workflows. With Buyer Intent Bot, sales can reach more decision makers faster when they're in the market to purchase and book more meetings.
Yeah, this gets our team in front of prospects before they have a chance to consider competitors. This allows sales to really set the tone for the entire sales cycle.
That wraps it up for this month's updates. Thanks for tuning in. You can find more information on our newly designed product hub at product.workato.com, along with past product updates, how-tos and tutorials, and best practices.
Hope to see you all in the next one.